You are welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn division of fraction. Under division of fraction, we are going to divide fraction by whole number. After that, we will divide fraction by fraction, and then we divide mixed fraction by another mixed fraction. Let's look at the board. Now, this is fraction with whole number. This is 1 over 3 divided by 3. Fraction by whole number. Now, when dividing fraction by whole number, what you do, you put, this is 1 over 3. You change this division sign to times, and then you make the 3, that is the whole number, the denominator, and you put 1. And let's multiply our 1 times 1, which is 1, and 3 times 3 is 9. Let's come here. The same thing we are going to do. We are going to make this whole number to be the denominator, and we put 1 as the numerator. So we have 2 over 5. Change this to times, and then 3 is the denominator, that's 1 over 3. So 2 times 1 equals to 2, and 5 times 3 equals to 15. Let's answer this. We change that, 7 over 8, change this to times, and then 1 over 4. 7 times 1 is 7. 8 times 4 is 32. Same here, 5 all over 7 times 1 over 5. In this case, there are factors, so we can simply cross this out. This cancels this, and this cancels that, and we have 1 all over 7. Now, let us divide fractions by fractions. Let us divide fraction by fraction. Now, when dividing fractions by fraction, what you do, you change this to times, and when you change this to times, you divide this, you turn 7 up and bring 2 down. Let's answer it. This 2 over 3, this changes to times, and then this 7 goes up, all over 2 comes down. Then let's multiply. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 2 is 6. This is an improper fraction. You are not to leave your answer in improper fraction, so we have to change this to mixed fraction. How many 6 is in 14? That is 2. Remainder 2 all over 6. Now, if you look at this, they have a common multiple. 2 can divide 6, so we are still not going to leave our answer in this form. We say 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our answer is 2 whole number, 1 all over 3. Let's answer this. We are still going to change this to multiplication. When we change this to multiplication, we turn it. 1 over 9 times 12 goes over, 1 comes under, 12 over 1. So let's look at that. They have factors. 9 and 12 have a common factor, so we are going to cancel it, and we are going to cancel it. The common factor here is 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So we have 1 over 3 times 4 over 1. The answer is 4 over 3. This is an improper fraction. We are to change it to, this is an improper fraction. We have to change it to a mixed fraction. It's 1 whole number 1 over 3. Let us solve more examples. So, still on dividing fraction by fraction, 5 over 8, change this to times. This turns to the numerator and this turns to the denominator. 16 all over 5. Now, look at that work. You have 5 here, you have 5 here. 5 divided by 5 is 1, 5 divided by 5 is 1. Here we also have factors. 8 divided by 8 is 1, 16 divided by 8 is 2. So the answer here is 1 times 2. The answer is 2. Here, the same thing, 1 over 3 times 2 over 7. There are no factors, so we cannot divide. So 1 times 2 is 2, and 3 times 7 is 21. Now, let us divide mixed fractions. When dividing mixed fractions, you have to change the mixed fraction to improper fraction, and then you change this to multiplication sign. When you change it to multiplication sign, you turn this up and bring the 3 down. Okay, let's do it. This is mixed fraction. This 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 all over 2. This changes to times. 4 goes up and 3 comes down. We have 4 over 3. So there are factors. 2 can divide 4. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Let's check for other factors. No other factors. So we have 7 over 1 times 2 over 3. The answer here is 14 over 3. How many 3 is in 14? That is 4. Remember 2 over 3. Now these two are mixed fractions. Now we are going to change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15 all over 4 divided by, we change this 2 to improper fraction. This is going to be 3 over 2. Now we'll come back here. We are not going to work with this division sign. We have to change it. And it's when we change this division sign, that is when we can now bring 2 up here and put 3 under. 15 over 4 times 2 goes up and 3 comes under. Two here is 1, 2 here is 2. 3 here is 1, 3 in 15 is 5. So we have 5 over 2. We have 1 here, 1 here, so that's, we have 5 over 2. Change it to mixed fraction. We have 2 whole number 1 over 2. Okay, the third question, we change this to mixed fraction. This is 5, 7 over 2 divided by 2 times 2, 4, 5 over 2. And then 7 over 2, change that, times, you turn it, 2 over 5. So, these 2 cancel these 2. You are left with 7 over 5. How many 5 is in 7? It's 1. Then 2 over 5. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel to learn more. Bye.